Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to enable voice chat in Roblox here and just basically make the best or the use the voice chat functionality here, well, this one's kind of complicated. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the actual app here, and you want to go and click on more at the bottom right of your screen, and you want to look for the settings option. So typically it's going to be at the bottom. Let's go and click on settings. Now you want to go to account info. Now the first step here is you want to verify your account. So that includes verifying your email address and also verifying your age. Now typically in the email section, once you do see that, you should be able to see verify button in there. So you can go and verify, and you need to enter the code or click on the link that Roblox will be sending you. So you need to check your email for any notifications or link that they'll be sending once you click on the verify button. And once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and verify your birthday or your age group. So typically in here, you could go and just click on the verify button again in the personal or the age group section, and it will verify your birthday. So you could either send a selfie or take a selfie of yourself, or you could submit an ID to verify yourself. So either ways, you just need to follow the on-screen steps in order for you to verify your age. But once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and go back here. You want to go ahead and go to the option here for privacy and content restriction. Now from here, you want to go ahead and go to communication. Now for experience chat, you may want to turn this on, so direct chat and experience chat, and also party for the voice data usage. You could go and just skip that one. Party chat here, you could go and choose party voice chat. You could go and choose all friends. And also, by the way, in order for you to use voice chat, you need to be at least 13 years old and above, or 13 plus, in order for you to use it. Now if you're a lot younger, you won't be able to use it as of right now, so you need to at least be a lot bigger or older in order for you to use it. Now in this case, once you've done that, you should be able to start using voice functionality. Now just keep in mind, not all games support what we call voice chat. There are certain games that does not support that, so just to give you an idea, typically if you access one of them, like for example, I'm going to access please donate here. And if you scroll down a bit here, you should be able to see if they support voice chat. As you can see right now, voice chat is supported, and you should be able to use voice chat inside the game. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.